Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to Hello World with Srini. In this video, we will have a quick review how to use your mouse to draw or write on your Microsoft Whiteboard. Um, if you log into the Microsoft Whiteboard, you can see a toolbar like this, right? If you want to choose a pen, okay, and just try to write or draw on the whiteboard, it's not allowing to do so. Um, so how to fix this problem? Um, so if you look at it on the right top corner, you see a settings menu. Just click on that one. We see many options here. So the one we are interested in is active pen. So this is enabled. That means, so this pen, which is available here, is for meant to be used in a touch screen. So if you switch off this particular setting, disabling that changes your toolbar, and it now shows a switch to inking mode rather than the pens in the toolbar, right? So we switched off this, and now I'm just going and selecting that and any pen, whatever the pen we want. So I'm able to draw or write whatever, right? So basically I'm able to use the pen. So I hope this is helpful. Um, Thank you.